Every heartbeat is a soul. Every soul needs Jesus. The harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. The King is calling. Will you answer or remain silent? Let your life become His message, your hands, His service, your voice, His gospel. Stand up, step out, the time is now. Here am I, Lord, send me.
Otram Khangatha